Group Imaging started in the early 90s as a company exclusively working with youth camps nationwide. We transitioned at the turn of the century into doing wide format. We've been trying to do all of our youth theming in children's areas of venues like children's church areas, and doing that has required us to do a lot of wallpaper. The moment that I knew I didn't want the competitors' equipment was when we sprayed acetone on the prints and wiped it with a rag. Immediately, the ink starts coming off the competitor's print. When I sprayed it on the Osage, Colorado prints, it was perfect. Well, the end result of that is I can put up wallpaper in a venue, and I don't have to worry about people damaging it with cleaning solvents. I also know that if they get a Sharpie mark on the wall, they can wipe it right off. I first saw the Osage, Colorado when they installed it. I read online about it, not recently been to the trade show where they'd showed it, but I watched a couple of videos on it. But I needed what it does.